Wheeling 7296, contact the tower 18.5, good day.
Tower 18.5, Wheeling 7296, right.
Cathay 239, descend to altitude 3000 feet, when established, descend with the glide path.
Descend altitude 3000 feet, when established, descend on the glide path, Cathay 239.
Cathay 239, reduce speed now 160 knots, maintain for 40 knots.
160 knots, maintain for 40 knots, Cathay 239.
Speed with 767, turn right, heading 185 degrees.
Right, 185 degrees, super 77.
Speed with 767, turn right, heading 245, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, report established, runway 27 left.
Right, heading 245, turn altitude 4,000 feet, report established, 27 left, super 77.
Cathay 239, established 27 left.
Cathay 239, roger. Speed with 767, when established, descend microwave.
10 microwave, 27.
Version 301, reduce speed 180 knots, landing 27 left.
180, version 301.
Speed 767, reduce speed 160 knots, maintain till 40 ME.
Speed 164, 767.
Virgin 301, turn right, heading 185.